Hey MonaLiza, let's paint Ariel today! Using Shadow Effect Gel from my shop, I'm going in with the sketching first. I like to go in with the X right in the middle. It helps me carve out the face, then the neck and the shoulders. I recommend to also sketch out the features of her face. It will make it easier later on when you're painting. Let's go in with Jawbreaker Gel Polish. This is going to be the dress color. I'm adding a line right here on top. It just adds more detail. And now for the hair color, of course, we're using Scarlet Gel Polish. It's a gorgeous, bright apple red. It's perfect for her hair. I'm adding some hair curls on the side like this. And for the background, I decided to go in with the pastel purple. Fill in the inside of her eyes in white, the eye color in blue. And around this time, I just outlined the rest of her skin. I filled in the pupils in black, created the lashes, added some highlight. We're doing the lips now. You want to make sure that you're adding in the teeth here. I'm using a magenta liner gel to outline the lips and the hair. We're literally almost done, guys. We just have to create the brows, add a little bit of blush, add your favorite matte top coat, and you just learned how to paint Ariel. She came out gorgeous, guys. Like and follow for more content like this. Peace.